So now in this question, the asking the solution set of the inequation. The inequation is given in this form: mod of x 1 by x minus 2 less than 4. Okay, so there are 4 options are given and we need to solve this question. Okay, so let's proceed. That is nothing but we need to take the LCM. That is nothing but 1 minus 2x by x less than 4. Now what we are going to do is, we know that mod of a by b is nothing but mod of a by mod of b. Okay, so that's what we are going to do here. 1 minus 2x mod by mod of x less than 4, and we know that mod of x is always greater than equal to 0. Okay, mod of x is positive. Okay, so we can multiply by mod x on both sides. That is nothing but 1 minus 2x mod less than 4 times of mod x, that is this thing. Okay, now we are having this question is there. Now cases will form. The first case will form. Okay, first of all we'll see where this critical point, what are the critical points. 1 minus 2x, or we can write this thing once again. We can write this thing, first of all it is can be written as 2x minus 1. One rule is also there, that is nothing but mod of a minus b is always equal to mod of b minus a. That's what we are going to use here. So we can write this thing: mod of 1 minus 2x is equal to mod of 2x minus 1 less than 4 times of mod x. Okay, so critical points are nothing but here critical points, if we'll see, that is nothing but 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is nothing but this is equal to 0. So that is nothing but x equal to 1 by 2 is the first critical point and x equal to 0 is the second critical point. Okay, so accordingly this we are going to form the cases. That is nothing but case 1 will form when x is greater than equal to 1 by 2. Okay, case 2 will form, that is nothing but when x is greater than 0 less than 1 by 2, and case 3rd will form, that is nothing but when x is less than 0. Okay, so now we are going to start with case first. That is nothing but case first we are going to do, that is nothing but when x is greater than equal to 1 by 2, when the value of x is always greater than equal to 1 by 2, or we can say this thing as x belongs to closed interval 1 by 2 to infinity. Okay, so we need to take only those x from the answer which are inside this interval set. That means for taking only those x that are inside this interval, we will have to take the intersection. Okay, with the answer will come in the first case. Okay, so when x is greater than equal to 1 by 2, that is nothing but 2x minus 1. Okay, 2x minus 1 will be greater than 0 now. When x is greater than equal to 1 by 2, x is greater than equal to 1 by 2, that is nothing but 2x is greater than equal to 1, that is nothing but 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 0. That means 2x minus, when x is greater than equal to 1 by 2, 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 0, 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 0, that means what, it will be positive, and positive will open with a positive sign. Okay, and mod of x, this will also be positive because x is greater than equal to 1 by 2, so this mod of x will also be open the x. That is nothing but now mod of 2x minus 1 less than 4 times of mod x, that is nothing but this thing will come here open, and less than 4x. Now nothing but we are going to transfer, that is nothing but minus 4x less than 0, that is nothing but 2x minus 1 minus 4x less than 0, that is nothing but 2x minus 4x, that is nothing but minus 2x minus 1 less than 0, minus we can take common, that is nothing but 2x plus 1 less than 0. We will multiply a minus sign, that is nothing but 2x plus 1 greater than 0, and in this case 2x greater than minus 1 and x greater than minus 1 by 2. Okay, x greater than equal to 1 by 2 we are getting. So x greater than 1 by 2 we need to take when x is greater than equal to 1 by 2. Okay, that means we need to take the intersection of these two, intersection. Okay, because I have told you in the initial itself when to take the intersection. So minus 1 by 2 will come here and plus 1 by 2 will come afterwards, minus 1 by 2. This is nothing but plus infinity, this is minus infinity. X greater than minus 1 by 2, that is nothing but this thing, and x greater than equal to 1 by 2, that is nothing but we are including this thing. Okay, that means the final thing is nothing but the common thing is nothing but this thing, that is nothing but x greater than equal to 1 by 2 will be the answer in the first case, that is nothing but first. We are going to move on the second case. Second case is nothing but x is greater than 0 less than 1 by 2. So second case is nothing but when x is greater than 0 less than 1 by 2. Okay, then we are going to see then mod of 2x minus 1. Okay, mod of when x is 0 to 1 by 2, x is between 0 to 1 by 2, x is greater than 0 less than 1 by 2. That means 2x will be nothing, you multiply by 2, it will also be between 2 and 1. And if you multiply 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 will be in between, that is nothing but 0. 2x minus 1 will be in minus 1 to 0. That means 2x minus 1 will be less than 0, and it will be open with a negative sign, that is minus 2x minus 1. And mod of x, that is x will be in between 0 to 1 by 2, so it will be positive because it is positive now here, so that's why it will open with x only. The question is nothing but mod of 2x minus 1 less than 4 times of mod x. This thing will open with a negative sign, so minus of minus 2x minus 1 less than 4x, that is nothing but minus 2x plus 1 minus 4x less than 0. So minus 6x plus 1 less than 0, that is nothing but, we will do 6x greater than 1, we can say that x greater than 1 by 6. Okay, so x greater than 1 by 6 we need to take, but when x is 0 to 1 by 2, so we are going to take the intersection. So x greater than 1 by 6 we need to take when x is greater than 0 and less than 1 by 2. That means we are going to take the intersection. So x is 0 here, okay, 1 by 6 will be here, okay, and 1 by 2 will be here. X greater than 1 by 6, that is nothing but this thing, and x greater than 0 less than 1 by 2, that is nothing but this thing. Okay, so that is nothing but, this is only the common part, that is nothing but x belongs to open interval 1 by 6 to 1 by 2. So this is the answer in the second case. And now we are going to see third case. So what is third case? Third case is nothing but when x is less than 0. Third case is nothing but case third when x is less than 0. When x is less than 0, that is nothing but, when x is less than 0, so mod of 2x minus 1, x is less than 0, x is less than 0, 2x will also be less than 0, 2x minus 1 will be less than minus 1. So 2x minus 1 less than minus 1 means it will also be less than 0, so it will open with a negative sign. And x is less than 0, so mod of x will also open with a negative sign. So that is nothing but, mod of 2x minus 1 less than 4 times of mod x. This will open with a negative sign, that is minus of 2x minus 1 less than 4 times of minus x, that is nothing but minus 2x plus 1 less than minus 4x. So minus 4x will be added on both sides, that is nothing but 4x minus 4x, that is 4x minus 2x, 2x plus 1 less than 0, 2x less than minus 1, x less than minus 1 by 2. Okay, when x is less than 0, that means we are going to take the intersection, that is intersection we'll have to take. So intersection, for taking intersection, that is we'll have to draw the number line, that is x less than minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 then 0, x less than 0, that is nothing but this thing. Okay, x less than minus 1 by 2, that is nothing but this thing. So common part is nothing but this thing. And here in this case, final answer will be nothing but x less than minus 1 by 2 here. This is the third answer in the third case. Now for the whole of the answer, for the total answer, final answer, we will have to take union of first, second and third. Okay, first answer is nothing but x greater than or equal to 1 by 2, okay, is the first answer. And second answer is nothing but x belongs to 1 by 6 to 1 by 2 is the second answer. Third answer is nothing but x less than minus 1 by 2 is the third answer. We are going to take the union in this case. So how we can take the union? It is nothing but, first of all we are going to represent minus 1 by 2, then plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 6, then 1 by 2. Okay, x greater than or equal to 1 by 2, that is nothing but this thing, x 1 by 6 to 1 by 2, 1 by 6 to 1 by 2, that is nothing but this thing from here to here. And x less than minus 1 by 2, less than minus 1 by 2, that is nothing but this thing. So that is nothing but, we need to take this thing, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 open interval union 1 by 6 to plus infinity we are going to take, and that will be our final answer. And so our final answer is nothing but our final answer is nothing but D is our final answer.